Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, girls, are you excited to start my own lesson for today? That's fantastic, girls. Now, let's start by asking you about the day and the date. Who can tell me? What is the day today, girls? What is the day today? Today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Again. Wednesday, and the date is 28/1/1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Wednesday, Wednesday, and the date is 28/1/1442 after Hijrah. Today, inshallah, our lesson will be about lesson 4 in unit 1. And as we said before, this unit is about my friends. 10 and 11. Please, girls, I want you to open your books now. Page number 10 and 11. Page number 10 and 11, and write the day with the date. Write the day with the date in your box on page number 10 and 11. Write the day with the date in your box on page number 10 and 11, girls, quickly. I want you to close your book and open your notebook. Now, I want you to copy this sentence in your notebook. I can help my friends. Please, girls, copy this sentence in your notebook. And don't forget to write the day with the date. I can help my friend. Okay, don't forget to write the day with the date, please, girls. Now, let's start my own lesson today by these pictures. And let me ask you, what can you see in this picture? I can see the English alphabet letter. I can see the English alphabet letters. So, when I ask you girls, how many English alphabet letters do we have in the English language? How many letters do we have in the English language? You should say, we have 26 English alphabet letters in the English language. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So, how many English letters do we have in the English language? We have 26 alphabet letters in the English language. How many alphabet letters do we have in the English language? We have 26 alphabet letters in the English language. Now, let's play again together. I want you to write 3 words. Start with letter A. Number 1, we have what? What can you see? In the first picture, I can see an apple. So, the first word is apple. A-double-P-L-E. 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 Number 2, aeroplane. Number 2, aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Again, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. And number 3 is arm. A-R-M. A-R-M. So these are 3 words. Start with letter A. Now let's make sentences using these words. Number 1, I ate an apple yesterday. Number 2, I saw an airplane last week. Number 3, I have 2 arms. I have 2 arms. These are 3 sentences using the words that start with letter A. Now I want you to write 3 words. Start with letter B. Number 1, we have what? We have a book. Now, let's spell the word book together. B-double-O-K, B-double-O-K. Now, if I ask you girls, do you like reading books? Yes, I like reading books. So, what is your favorite book, girls? My favorite book is, for example, Jane Eyre. Number 2 is, it is what? A ball. B-A-double-L, B-A-double-L. And number 3 is bird. B-I-R-D. D-I-R-D. So these are three words. Start with letter D. Book, ball, and bird. Now let's make sentences using these three words. Number one, I like reading books. Number two, the ball is round. Number three, the bird can fly. Then write three words. Start with letter C. Number one, we have cat. I can see a cat. C-A-T. Then what can you see in the second picture? I can see a car. C-A-R. I can see a blue car. C-A-R. Then, what can you see in the third picture? I can see a cake. C-A-K-E. C-A-K-E. So these are three words. Start with letter C. Now let's make sentences using these words. Number one, I saw a cat in the garden yesterday. Ahmed has a blue car. My mother made a delicious cake. Then write three words. Start with letter D. Number one, dog. D-O-G. Two, doll. D-O-double-L. Three, door. D-double-O-R. Now we have dog, doll, and door. These are three words. Start with letter D. Now let's make sentences using these words. Number one, Ahmed saw a dog last night. I have a beautiful doll. Ahmed has two doors in his room. Fill in the missing letters, girls. Number one, what can you see in the picture? I can see an egg. So the missing letter here is E, E-double-G. Then, what can you see in the second picture? I can see a Saudi flag, or let's say a Saudi Arabia flag. F-L-A-G. Then, number three, what can you see? I can see a garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Now, let's make a sentence using the word garden. Yesterday, I went to the garden and played with my friends. Then, fill in the missing letters. What can you see in the first picture? I can see a pink hat, H-A-T. Then what can you see in the second picture? I can see an ice cream. So the missing letter is I. Ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. And the third picture, I can see an orange juice. So the missing letter is J. J-U-I-C-E. Okay, do you like drinking juice or an orange juice? Yes, I like an orange juice. Now fill in the missing letter, girls. So here we have what? We have a key. So the missing letter is K. And in the second picture, I have lemons. So the missing letter is L, lemons. Now I want you to write three words. Start with letter M. Number one, monkey. Two, moon. And three, Monday. Write three words. That starts with letter R. We have rabbit, ruler, and bread. Write three words. Start with letter W, wood, writer, and window. Then, please, girls, I want you to open your books. Our lesson today is very easy. It's only about the alphabet letters. Now, please, girls, open your books and chant and point. Chant and point.
Yes. Exercise 1. Chant and point. Alphabet chant. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q. R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, girls, here we have the alphabet letters. Now, I want you to color these letters. Please, girls, color these letters. Then we have one time make a name card. Listen, please.
Anytime. Exercise 3. Make a name card. Write your name. Draw some pictures and show your card. Like,
Please, girls, here I want you to write your full name. Your full name, girls. Okay? Now, open your activity book, page number 69. Page number 69, girls. And listen.
hi, how are you? Are you ready for goal 7? Good. Let's start. I can chant the alphabet chant. Exercise 1. Listen and chant. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great, you did it. Now trace the light gray letters. Then do exercise 2. Trace and write.
Okay, girls, I want you here to trace the gray letters here. Trace the gray letters, then trace and write letter G. Okay? Now, listen and practice. Say your name and trace.
Are you ready for goal 8? Good. Let's start. I can make my name card. Exercise 1. Listen and practice. Say your name.
My name's Mona. This is my name card.
My name's
Please, girls,
Great.
you should write
You
your
did
name.
it. Now trace the light gray words and write your name in the card. Then do exercise 2. Trace and write.
Okay, girls, here I want you to trace the gray words here. Then write your full name here. After that, I want you to trace and write letter H. Okay, girls? Don't forget to trace the gray words here, girls, please. Now, today, inshallah, we are going to have a homework. Our homework is make a beautiful card for yourself, including your full name, your grade, your age, your school, and your favorite hobby. Again, make a beautiful card for yourself, including your full name, girls. Please, I want you to write your full name, then your grade, your age, your school, and your favorite hobby. Okay, girls? Now, this is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.